A seismic shift in the AI landscape has left US tech giants reeling, as a Chinese startup, DeepSeek, challenges America's dominance. DeepSeek's audacious move? Launching a free, open-source large language model in just 2 months, costing under $6 million. This bold development has sparked a global sell-off, with Nvidia and other tech firms plunging dramatically. Nvidia, a major player in the AI hype, saw its stock slide around 11%, marking its worst day since March 2020. Other AI trades like Micron and ARM Holdings also took a hit, dropping more than 8% and 9%, respectively. International markets weren't spared, with European and Asian chip companies experiencing significant pullbacks. DeepSeek's model, reportedly outperforming OpenAI's latest, has raised questions about the massive investments by big tech in AI. Mark Andreessen hailed DeepSeek's product as a profound gift to the world, intensifying the debate on AI spending. Analysts suggest DeepSeek's success could drive urgency among US hyperscalers like Amazon and Microsoft to leverage their GPU advantage. Despite doubts about DeepSeek's cost claims, the AI landscape is undeniably shifting, leaving the tech world on edge.